Hello and welcome, my dear Rajeshwar students. Today again, I am with you with a complete summary and central idea of the ball poem. So let us begin with the introduction first. Okay, it's a sort of recapitulation, whatever we have studied about ball poem till now. So in this poem, John Merriman is the name of the poet. Okay, guys, he tells us about our reactions at some material loss. A boy loses a ball in the water. He is very upset at the loss of the ball. A ball does not cost much. It is not even difficult to buy a new ball. But the poet wants the child to understand that losing things is a common thing in life. That is what has to be taught to the child and to all the viewers and the readers. So let us see the plot, theme, central idea of the lesson, literary analysis of the whole poem, and the main ideas behind it. Let us see, begin with the central idea of the poem. The ball poem, sorry, the ball poem looks like a simple story of a young boy losing his ball. The boy is severely upset over the loss. Normally, it may seem like a great overreaction. Children lose things like the toys and balls quite often. Usually, no fuss should be made about such a small thing, but the ball seems to be symbolizing the poet's childhood. The boy, becoming an adult, loses his childhood. He was clinging on to his childhood for so long. The poet accepts the changes in his life. Although he is still suffering, yet he is learning to move on from his fleeting childhood. The true theme of the poem is that we should cherish every moment of life. ये जिंदगी फिर न मिलेगी दोबारा. सुन लीजिए, my dear students. So enjoy every moment of life. The poet realizes that it is very difficult to deal with the loss, but it must be done. We should move on as there is no use in wasting precious time and life. ओके, बीती तही बिसार दे और आगे की सुधी ले, यही इसका मॉरल है. नाउ द पोएम का स्टाइल क्या है देखिए. द पोएम यूजेस अ गुड combination of tone, imagery, and symbolism. In the beginning, the tone is depressing. The boy is very depressed because he has lost his ball. His ball is drowned in the water. It depicts a scene where a young boy has lost his ball when it is bounced into the harbor. The loss of the ball symbolizes the loss of innocence and childhood. Like childhood, the lost ball can't be retrieved. The tone in the end changes, giving an encouraging message that life should be lived as it is and we should move on with the changing time. The poem is in the free verse as it suits its tone and content. तो जो हुआ सो हुआ. ओके, जैसे गीता में श्री कृष्ण भगवान ने कहा है, जो हुआ अच्छा हुआ, जो हो रहा है वो भी अच्छा हो रहा है, और जो होगा वो भी अच्छा होगा. सो वट एवर हैपन्स फॉर गुड. दिस इज द मेन थीम of the poem. Let us see the summary of the whole poem, the detailed summary of the whole poem. Once again, I shall read out the summary for you. A boy loses a ball in the water. He is very upset. Though the ball does not cost too much, it gives a big shock to him. He keeps staring at the place where the ball has gone. The poet sees all this, but he doesn't interfere in the boy's ruminations. The poet thinks that the loss of the ball will teach the boy, once again I shall continue, sorry. The poet thinks that the loss of the ball will teach the boy a lesson of accepting the loss with tolerance and pleasure. Everyone has to lose something or the other in this world. Still, they are to survive and fulfill their obligations. This loss makes the boy learn that gains and losses are part and parcel of life. One should accept them as a common matter. ओके, ज़िंदगी में नुकसान और फ़ायदा होता रहता है, उतार चढ़ाव होते रहते हैं, यही एक। अब और भी डिटेल में समरी पढ़ेंगे हम। नाउ वी शैल बी continuing with the more detailed summary of the poem, the ball poem, class 10. The first part में क्या है ये देखते हैं। ओके, द बॉय लूजेस हिज बॉल। क्या हुआ था, शुरू के पैराग्राफ से हम देखते हैं कि बच्चे से गेंद गुम जाती है। द बॉय लूजेस हिज बॉल। द पोएम इज अबाउट अ यंग बॉय हु लूजेस हिज बॉल। Usually, losing a ball should not be a big issue. Young boys usually lose their toys and balls quite often. The ball is seen merrily bouncing down the street, and ultimately, the ball falls down into the water and lost forever. The boy stood there, sadly watching the ball go. But he was helpless, nor could he do anything to get the ball back. The ball here symbolizes the innocent childhood of the boy which has slipped away and he wants it back. बहुत कीमती कोई चीज़ होती है, समथिंग वेरी प्रेशियस टू यू एंड इट इज़ लॉस्ट। झटका लगता है इसको। नाउ सेकेंड पार्ट में, सेकेंड स्टैंजाज में हम क्या देखते हैं, लेट अस सी व्हाट इज देयर टू गिव इन द नेक्स्ट स्टैंजा। दी अदर बॉल्स टू, दूसरी भी बॉल्स है उसकी जगह सब्सटीट्यूट हो सकती हैं। ओके, इट इज़ ऑफ नो यूज टू रिमाइंड हिम दैट इट वॉज नॉट अ बिग लॉस. He can get more balls and continue his game. But for the boy, the loss of the ball is a great loss. He wants that particular ball. He had a lot of attachment towards the ball. You know, this is the world of possessions, I'll tell you later. There may be other boys, and perhaps he can hope to get any one of them. However, the ball that he has lost can't be retrieved. जो वो वाली बॉल वापस नहीं आ सकती, उसकी या 10 दूसरी नई दूसरी बॉल आ सकती। इट हैज़ फॉलन into the deep water of the harbor. The boy is inconsolable. उसको समझाते हैं लेकिन उसके समझ में नहीं आ रही, उसको मनाने की कोशिश कर रही, बहुत दुखी है। He loses hope in himself and becomes just depressed and hopeless. He stands still, trembling and looking at the point where his ball has gone down into the harbor. Here, the lost ball stands for the lost childhood, and the harbor stands for the vastness of life. It will not serve any purpose to remind him that the ball costs just a dime and is worth nothing. कि बॉल बहुत महंगी बॉल नहीं है, 1 रुपये की, 1 पैसे की बॉल है, उसकी वर्थ ज़्यादा नहीं है कीमत के वजह से। इट इज़ नॉट एन एक्सपेंसिव बॉल, ओके, बट इट इज़ वेरी dear to the boy. That's what he's lamenting for. Now, recovering from the loss. How the boy recovers from the loss of the ball. But there comes a change in his mood and thinking. He realizes that this world, the loss is a part of game. He must take such losses in the life in his stride. Achievements which follow losses in life, and a thing that is lost once can't be retrieved or brought back. अब वापस नहीं ला सकते, जो बीत गया वो एक सपना था, और जो आज है वही अपना है। ओके, and a thing that is lost once cannot be retrieved or brought back. I'll repeat. And a thing that is lost once can't be retrieved or brought back. Money can't buy the lost childhood, the lost dreams, and the lost feelings back. Money is external to such losses. Now the last stanza is the standing up from the loss. कैसे वो हिम्मत नहीं हारता है, जो हुआ सो हुआ. The poet gives a message of hope and encouragement. ये हमें एक आशा की किरण दिखाई देती है, हिम्मत बांधने वाली, बनाने वाली बात. Ultimately, he comes out of his depression and hopelessness. He has to learn how he should stand up to bear the loss. The theme of the poem is that life is precious and should not be wasted. Life has to be lived, and life can be lived purposefully and fruitfully only when we stand up and come out of depression. Let us see what are the main points of the poem. The young, पहला point ये है, the first and foremost, the boy lost his ball. समझे आप लोग, है ना? He was playing and saw the ball bouncing down the street. ये second point हो गया. Then in the end, the ball fell down into the water and it is lost forever. हार्बर में गिर गया, बहुत नीचे तक चले गए पानी. The boy sees everything happening before his eyes, but he is helpless. इतना ऊंडे नीचे तक कैसे जाएंगे अब निकालने? He only stands there helplessly, mourning at the loss of the ball. The loss of the ball may appear to be an ordinary incident. It seems that boys lose such balls many times while they are playing. The boy should not make a fuss over it. So the loss of the ball is symbolic and it has a deeper meaning. And what is the deeper meaning we shall see? The loss of the ball is the loss of his childhood and the loss of his dreams. And if it is lost, it never comes back again. बचपन के दिन चले गए. Okay. Similarly, we can't console the child that he can have another ball. Actually, he is sad that the ball he has lost can't be brought back. वो बॉल घूमने से ज़्यादा दुखी इस चीज़ से है कि ये बॉल अब वापस नहीं आ सकती इसके पास. पानी में गई ठीक है, लेकिन अब उसके पास वापस नहीं मिलेगी ये बॉल. So it says that wealth can't buy life and time. Ultimately, a change comes in the grieving boy. Okay, he comes to know that losing is a part of life and the lost must not break his spirit. There is no use of grieving over what has been lost. He must stand up to face such losses with courage and determination. Life has to be lived and not wasted in grieving and mourning over the losses suffered in the past. हिंदी की समरी पढ़ने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. कॉम्प्रिहेंशन स्टैंजाज हैं दैट वी कैन सी आफ्टरवर्ड्स. ओके गाइस, सो इस पोएम से यही मॉरल मिलता है कि हमें बाद में जितना भी नुकसान हो जाए उसके भूल कर आगे बढ़ना चाहिए जीवन में. ओके, नथिंग टू बॉदर अबाउट and we should be always hopeful, energetic, okay, and we should have the strong willpower. Okay, so he's life has to be lived. Last lines में क्या बोला? Life has to be lived and not wasted in grieving and mourning over the lost. So don't cry over the spilled milk. That's the last words to say. Okay, hope you are in good understanding of the lesson. Please do the question answers. Thank you. Goodbye and good.